Hey guys, it's me Brian of Mortar and Pastry, and today, gagawa tayo ng salted caramel banana cake. Moist upside down banana loaf, bittersweet, perfectly balanced by the salt on the caramel. Masarap yung pagkatamis ng recipe na to. Hindi nakakaumay, kaya naman tara, gawa na tayo.
Mortar and Pastry.
Unahin na natin gawin yung ating salted caramel. In a saucepan, add 1 cup of sugar. Tilt and swirl the pan over medium-low heat. Iwasang haluin para hindi mag-crystallize. And once fully melted and caramelized na yung sugar, over low heat, add half cup of heavy cream. Ingat lang sa part na to para hindi tayo mapaso. It will sizzle dahil talagang mainit ang caramel. Add natin yung butter, haluin, turn off the heat, and lastly, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk everything together, then set aside muna natin. Slice naman tayo ng saging para sa bottom layer. Pwedeng lengthwise or crosswise, depende na sa inyo. Meron ako ditong 10 inches rectangular baking dish from Massflex. Latagan natin ng parchment paper, arrange the bananas, and ibuhos yung half nung ginawa nating salted caramel. Gawin naman natin yung banana cake batter, sift all together all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Habi muna natin yan. For the buttermilk, combine full cream milk and vinegar. Haluin, then set aside. In a mixing bowl, mash 4 pieces ng saging na lakatan. Will depend sa size pero this is equivalent to 1 cup of mashed bananas. Add half cup each ng white and dark brown sugar. Haluin ng mabuti, mas fully dissolved yung sugar, mas moist. Then add 2 large eggs and 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Mix it well, then add natin yung half cup of vegetable or canola oil and yung pinrepare natin na buttermilk. Lastly, whisk in natin yung sifted na dry ingredients kanina. Haluin just until wala ng visible flour on top. Pour natin slowly over the bananas and salted caramel. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng 2 smaller loaf pans for this. Bake at 180°C for an hour, then palamigin natin completely. Once completely cool, flip it upside down. Remove the parchment paper before slicing, and that's it. Enjoy your homemade salted caramel banana cake.